How to change or reset Microsoft account password if forgotten. So I will show you the best process. So let me start the video. Okay, just come to your browser, okay, and search for reset Microsoft account, okay, and here you can see this option, support Microsoft account. Here the official support, just click on and open it. Now you can see this is link, official link. Here you can see the guidance of this forgotten Microsoft account password. You can reset, okay. So if you have already login with your account, you can simply go to the account and go to the account security and change the password, okay. I will show you. If I go to my account here, so I have already logged with my account here, okay. So if you want to change your existing you have already logged in and you want to change or reset your password, you can reset from here. You need to just write your insert your new password, confirm it, and make me change my password every, okay. If you want to make more security, you can make it click, so it will be make you to change your password after every 72 days, and just save it, okay. But if you have if you forgotten your password and if you want to reset, then go to the same link here, and here you can see the second option. If you know your username and password but they have stopped working, go to the my username password to stop working, go to the record your account, and here you need to insert your email ID and you will get the code, okay. Let me show you. Okay, you need to go here. If you want to reset, you go to here in this reset options. This is my email ID. I need to actually my account is already logging in, so it's showing me to email ID to have the code. So you can select your email ID and just get the code. Once you receive your code on your email ID, then you need to put on the code here, okay. Just put the code here. I just show you, okay. I have inserted that code. I just click on next. So now here you can see it's asked me to reset my password. You need to just confirm your password here, okay, and just click on next. Then password should be in 8 character minimum, case sensitive, okay, and just reset it. Click on next, then it will be reset. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.